Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy Strawberry Swirl Cheesecake Cupcakes. The entire crew here is obsessed with this recipe. They're saying that it's the best dessert to ever come out of my kitchen. You'll have to make it and find out for yourself. To start, you'll need 16 ounces of softened cream cheese and half a cup of granulated sugar. You want to mix this together until it's combined and smooth. It'll take about 60 seconds to get that smooth. Then we're going to add in 2 large eggs, half a cup of sour cream, and I like to use the full fat kind, no skimping here. And then you'll also need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you'll mix this until it's smooth as well. And it's a good idea to stop every now and then and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure that everything gets mixed in and everything ends up smooth. And that's it for the cheesecake part of this recipe. Set it aside and you'll need a 12-cup muffin tin. You'll want to put little liners in the bottom of each one, and the liners are absolutely necessary for this recipe. Then you'll need some lemon Oreos, and trust me, they really make this recipe. Place 1 cookie into the bottom of each little muffin cup. Then I'm going to use this 2-tablespoon cookie scoop and scoop out some of the batter and scoop that cheesecake batter right on top of the Oreo. Each of your muffin cups should be fairly full. This recipe makes 18 cupcakes, so you can do it 1 pan at a time, or if you have 2 pans, you can do 1.5 pans at a time. Next, you'll need about 1/4 cup of strawberry jam, and you can use seedless or with the seeds, either one will work. And I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. This will be just enough for it to melt a little bit and be a lot easier to swirl into our cupcakes. You'll see it's all melty. Give it a stir so that everything is melted and smooth. Then you want to just drizzle about 1 teaspoon of the strawberry jam on top of each cupcake, and it doesn't really matter how it goes on because next you're going to take a toothpick and swirl this in. And I like to kind of go crazy at first and move it around and then go back and forth the opposite way, and there you have a swirl. You want to make sure you get them all done. You can see that each one ends up looking slightly different, and that's kind of the fun when it comes to these cupcakes. All we have left to do is bake these in a 325-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. They'll be puffy when you take them out of the oven and collapse on themselves as they cool. Let them cool in the tin until they are completely cool before removing and storing in the fridge. And then you have the most delicious little cheesecake cupcake ever. You are going to love it. So good. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.